Get ready to cut some fuel that we're going to use in the Fabkreations Stove that I got from Bruce that Ron paid for. And that way I can always have some fuel on hand when I need it. You know, you just simply split it the way you want it and throw it in there. So this is a Skill 9-inch bandsaw. This is just hobby grade for things like this, you know, really small pieces. It's not meant for really anything major. Now this is a bandsaw that can definitely stick a finger or kick something back at you, so make sure you're being safe as always with the bandsaw. So we'll cut one more piece and we'll let you guys out of here. There you go, folks. Nice good cut. So enjoy and have a great day.